There are places where we like to go, either real or imaginary. And there are places that are perfect to celebrate the idea of love. So if I might ask you, where is that place?
I want a date in a place where there's a lot of petals of roses around.
With a red carpet for her to walk on, and I am standing on the end of that red carpet.
My boyfriend will be at his most gentleman attire. I will take him on the highest rooftop of the building in the city, and I want to bring me to the house and proudly introduce me to his parents and
You were always gonna be my love. 이투가 나를 가도마다 going 이루어질 때모 I remember to love you taught me how. You were always gonna be the one. 이마와 바닷가는 실로부 송구 아다라시
Next, we will go to the beach and the beach that peaceful, quiet, and no one can disturb us.
the setting is in the garden that only you and your loved one sitting there. Then you're happy together. Then
A good place for relaxation and peaceful place.
I will show him the beauty of all things and also including my love for him.
have fun, share stories with him.
I will play our theme songs and I will ask her to dance with me, and our music is our theme song.
To spend our time together and knowing each other.
We could see the mountains and hills.
I want him to carry the favorite flowers and cake that I ever want. Nobody else in our surroundings.
The garden that's full of flowers.
The musicians are playing our favorite songs, and after which
We will watch the sunset, and the pianist will play romantic songs as a background.
You were always gonna be my love. 이투가 나를 가도마다 going 이루어질 때모 I remember to love you taught me how. You were always gonna be the one. 바닷가는 실로부 송구 yeah. Now and forever.
I'd rather take him in a white turf or in a private place wherein there is a helicopter showers.
I will rather take my date in a romantic cruise, wherein we will be roaming outside the countries.
Pathway of petals going to the kitchen where he will serve my breakfast.
Perfect date is all about having fun. Perfect date is getting to know each other.